I hate it when people in love say, I would die for you. I don't want you to die for me. I want you to live with me. I want you to heal yourself so that we can live together. I want you to grow for me so that we can be together. वो कहते हैं ना कि इश्क कुर्बानी नहीं चाहता, इश्क तकमील चाहता है। इसी के लिए मरना बहुत आसान है, साथ रहना ही तो असल मसला है। It is so easy to say I love that person, I want to be with that person. But would you change yourself for that person? Would you grow yourself for that person? If you know there are certain habits that will affect that person, would you change those habits? Would you take responsibility for your future, career, health to be with that person? I remember I was talking with my friend about some incident, and my friend was like, but just you are too weak for this world, you have to be strong. My friend burst my bubble, and I literally got so triggered at a point कि मैं 2 दिन एक ही चीज़ को सोचती रही. But instead of focusing on the thing that I got triggered with that statement, that means there is something that needs my attention. There is something that I've been avoiding. That's why I got triggered. I started blaming that person, like how that person can say such things. Blaming others is so easy. बट एक दफ़ा आप खुद की तरफ भी तो झांक कर देखें, क्योंकि कभी कभी कमियां वहाँ नहीं, कमियां यहाँ भी होती हैं. बट डीप डाउन आई नो कि जो उसने बोला वो सच तो है. So sometimes people pointing something out not because they want to disrespect us or they want to discomfort us, but because they want good for us. But हमको तो उस नज़रिए से देखना ही नहीं है. Maybe sometimes it's an invitation to look inward. But love is not just emotions. It's safety, it's stability, it's becoming the person that can hold that relationship. Yes, healing is uncomfortable. It forces us to look inward and see the things that we've been avoiding from years. But avoiding them doesn't make them disappear. It passes the way to the other person. And when you don't heal from what hurt you, you start bleed on people who didn't even bite you. And I hate it when people say you have to accept me the way I am. What if the way you are is hurting yourself and the people you love? And instead of asking why won't someone accept me, start asking yourself, am I becoming someone I would accept? And if you are praying to be better, you also have to prepare yourself to be better.